Hold it up, way up in the air.
Ayun nga ako eh.
Ayun na!
You know what I'm talking about? Him and his wife both have it.
Bingo!
Oh, one has got it!
Alright.
He took it! Yes!
I'm going! Did he take the bag?
He took the bag!
Hold your hand there and don't move. They're not gonna hurt you.
Oh, holy moly! Ah!
That's a bear.
No, don't take that! I'll sacrifice myself. Oh my gosh, they're mad at you.
Hello, seagulls. What's this? Oh, that hurt.
It landed on you? Cool!
Hey, don't be throwing them. Ow, this is not cool.
Ow! Someone's fighting me!
Aww.
But stay now. Let's still film this.
You want to walk from one chair to the other? Just trying to do it.
Hi. How are you? How are you? Ow! God, he just bit me.
Oh, just out here hanging out with this old big bird. Oh my God!
Riding steady down. Whoa!
Hot. Take it. Go.
Mama
must not be anywhere around because I would think
there's fish over here.
But Mama would
about leaving it.
Is that a lion? Or is that him making that noise? Good heavens. That's not nice. Where's the food? Oh, here it is.
Come on, let's race.
Come on.
Come on, let's race.
Oh!
It's coming. Aww.
Ow! Did he pick you? Did you see him bite my face? Come on.
Oh. Wow, you're such a good animal person.
I'm a bird whisperer. He's gonna be my friend.
Video. Birds is going crazy. Look at them eating the ice cream. Birds eating the ice cream.
Oh my God! Greg, they after me!
Gobble, gobble, gobble. Gobble, gobble. Come on. Are you afraid of those people? Come on.
What? What? Am I ignoring you? Okay.
Creamy. Be nice to our guests.
Be nice.
Be nice to our guests.
I can't believe Creamy's in the water.
There's a ducks in our yard. What? We got a whole bunch of ducks in here. They all just flew in here. Oh my God. Oh my God.